How to create a new file or folder in cPanel File Manager. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Now go to the Files section and click File Manager. There is a list of directories where you can create your file. To create a file within the public HTML directory, click Public HTML to open it in the adjoining window. You can see Public HTML directory is open now. Click the plus file option to create a new file. Give a name to the new file with extension and click Create New File. Here is the created file within Public HTML. Similarly, you can create a folder by clicking plus folder. Keep in mind, while naming a file or folder, you should not use quotes in the name of the file or folder. Thank you for watching.